everyone, happy early Father's Day, and today I'm with you with some new creative ideas. I found some old earrings from my youth days. These were from Walmart that I bought at $4, and this was from my mom's shop. So I'm going to convert this one into clip-ons. These two, I cannot find this size for a keychain, so I found the small ones for charms. Ain't that strange how they don't have them anymore? If they do, let me know where it's at. In today's video, we're gonna convert these are earrings into keychains. So today I'm using this heart-shaped heart-shaped keychain. It comes with a little jump ring, and of course it'll open like that. I'm using two, so the one, when you open it, it'll be on that side, or you can flip it over, go that side. And today we're using 7mm jump ring. I'm using silver. Today you'll need your flat nose plier, your other flat nose plier, and my favorite, your round nose pliers. Alright, let's take everything out of the bag. Remove your ear hooks. You can follow along with me if you have a craft. Let's do the crafts together and see what we can come up with. You can either keep these or don't keep them. Looks like they somehow... Okay, see, all we have to do is just twist, and it should come undone. Let's see if my logic works. I might have to do this off camera, but you see this thing, we have to twist it in order to come open. Let's take our flat nose pliers and see if I can twist it open. If not, take your round nose plier, hold it like this, hold it as best you can. There you go. And twist. And it should come right off. Ta-da! Now do the same thing for the other one. They twist right there on that open point. I don't like these ear hooks, but I think they're called French wire, but the other ones are better, I think. But whatever, you have in your stash, you use. I'm not going to save these. I'll probably just throw them out. All I got to do is just twist. There it goes. And ta-da! And let's see. Take that aside. Now let's get our jump ring. Same concept here. You want to twist, and then that's all you do for a jump ring. Once you know how to twist a jump ring, the ideas for jewelry making are endless. So let's put it through that hole. And then take this and go like that. Just do what I do and you'll get yourself a nice keychain. Today I was cleaning and organizing the rooms, and maybe donating a few, trashing out some others. And tonight it was a good feeling I had all day, just to make some room for the new stuff. It doesn't matter how big your space is. If you don't know how to organize, watch some videos on YouTube to get inspired. They teach you what to do. That's where I learned how to organize. Well, I try to be organized as best my ability. learned everything from YouTube. I was self-taught with the jewelry. That was how I got started. It was my mom's friend, Kathy, and got me started in bracelet making and studying all about the jewelry world. I need to stop talking and pay attention to what I'm doing. Let's see if I close it. If I close it, give me a good thumbs up. Or if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. And it's a kid-friendly project, so if you need help, get your parents to follow along and do what I do. That's what it looks like. Now we'll do the same thing to the other side. Always put the charm on first through that hole. It should fit. This is 7 millimeters. So there we go. And then twist to close it. Let's straighten it out as best we can. They say thunderstorms are in our area tonight, so we'll see what happens. Is it raining by you guys' place? Let me know. I hope you're having a good day, and I hope you're having fun doing this. Now, we're going to do, set these aside. Here are some clip-on earrings. If you do not like this kind because they hurt, I don't know how to put that on, but we're going to take it off and convert it to this. This is clip-on earrings. Alright, I'm going to show you what to do. Once more, you twist. It's the same thing. And let's find the opening. Oh, there it is. Whoops. You pick it up. Always pick it up if you drop it. Take it out. Oh, I didn't do it. There I did. Yes, I did. Right there. Now we remove that. Now take your clip on. We'll do a matching set. Take some out. Where's the hole? Right here is a secret. And only you guys will know about this. Where that hole is, connect your jump ring to that hole. We'll use the same jump ring. Or nah, let's get a brand new one to make it look pretty. Alright, stick it through that hole. Oops, sorry, I did it off the camera. I almost knocked the camera over. Always pay attention to what you're doing. If it keeps falling out, keep trying until you get it right. Don't ever give up on your stuff. If you make a mistake, correct it. That's all. Alright. Alright, there you go. Don't forget to add in your backing so it doesn't hurt your ears. Right, that's that one. All we gotta do is just twist. We'll throw those away because they're no good. Alright, now let's do the other one. Find your opening and twist. I'll do one more and then that'll be the end of this video. So I hope you guys like it, subscribe, and stay tuned for other ideas. I'll try not to take too long to get an idea, but sometimes I have not any good ideas until now to have a fun project for you guys. So hopefully this was a fun project. Take your old stuff and convert it how you will want to wear it. Or maybe want to try to sell it. Once you understand how to open up a jump ring, the ideas are endless. You'll be wanting to craft all day long. Alright, I think this video has gone long enough. Here, can you see it? Now all for this project you would need is some tools like your clip-ons. I'm using these. And you'll need some jump rings, brand new ones, because remember, these turn brown on us. You can probably polish them, but I wouldn't recommend it. If you know how to replace it without any help, I would say take your 7mm jump ring the same size as this one. They're roughly the same size as you can see. And I would use the pretty one. These are clip-on gold, silver. So today I'm just using silver. We did the thunder lightning, turned that into a keychain. And they make good gifts, or whoever want to, look how big that is. About the size of my hand. And then we made these today. So I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for following me if you're not new, and welcome if you are new. My name is Lisa and I'll be your host for today's video. And this is for Sewing for Hobby channel. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye everybody. Oh, and I'm wearing a bracelet that I made.